Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sony WF-1000XM3 wireless earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them, also called initializing them, back to the way they were when they came out of the box. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having issues with these earbuds not connecting to your device, your phone or whatever, or if they're not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, if they keep disconnecting, or if you're getting sound only out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these things. Now you're going to need to set them up again because they will be wiped back to their, coming out of the box with all of the pairing history and everything deleted off of it. But we can, if we want to do that, we can go ahead. It's real easy. We just need to put them in the case as shown here, leaving the lid open. And we're just going to come in and put our fingers on the back of the back buttons on both earbuds and just hold that for about 10 seconds. And then the indicator should flash red, start flashing in red, and at which point you can release it. And then it will reset. And when the indicators flash blue 4 times, that means that it has completed the initialization or the hard reset. And then you can go into your phone, delete them off your phone, then take them out and pair them again as though they're a new set of earbuds.